We are really excited.
We got our slogan back.
Yep.
Yes, we did.
Tinyhouse Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tinyhouse Prepper.
And our slogan, live simple, live free. If you've ever watched any of our earlier videos, you know that we included that as part of our little animated intro that Elizabeth did.
Yep. Yeah, that was just kind of our saying, live simple, live free.
Right.
We included it all the time.
You know, the idea that living simply in this place, in this tiny little place, gives us the ability to do more things. So we have a lot more freedom because we live simple. We live simply.
We really liked our slogan.
And we used it for probably the first, I don't know, 40 or 50 videos, something like that. And then one of our subscribers informed us that someone else had just filed a trademark application for Live Simple, Live Free.
Yeah, they trademarked it.
We were really disappointed.
Yeah.
And, you know, she said that, the woman that told us about this said that with trademarks, it goes by when you first started using it. And at that point, we had already been using it for a year. So she said we probably would have been able to actually go in and contest it and show that we've been using it longer than this other person. But, you know, we're just not litigious people.
Yeah, we just, we didn't want to try to fight that.
Yeah, we didn't want to get lawyers involved and whatever else is required. And we just decided, as sad as it made us, we just stopped using it and let the other person take over.
And one of the things that was sad to me is I really liked the end of that little animated intro, and we had to take it out with the little final bits on it because that had the Live Simple, Live Free on it.
Right.
And of course we had to be careful then from that point on not to be using it. And so I was a little sad to lose the end of that because it was a lot of work and I liked it.
So we did a video a week ago, I think it was the one, Why We Still Live Tiny.
Yeah.
And in there we mentioned offhand something about the old slogan that we used to use. A couple days later I got an email from one of you who told us that trademark had been allowed to lapse. It had been abandoned. So it is no longer being used. So we are very excited. So if you notice, that's the one we used at the beginning of this video, and we've just put in the application for to trademark that so that no one else can use it.
Yeah, we're trademarking it.
Yeah.
This has been a real learning curve. You know, you kind of start playing with the big boys.
Right.
Having to really learn about protecting things like that. We never even thought of it before. And all of a sudden it was just gone. So it is kind of exciting. We're going through the whole process now legally of trademarking and trying to be really careful about all that stuff. But it's fun to be able to have it back again.
Right. You know,
legally.
When we first started the video, it was just a lark, and it went from there to a hobby. And somewhere along the line, it blossomed into a full-time business. So now we're having to go back and getting all those business things in place that we never even considered when we first started.
We didn't even know about it. Didn't even realize.
Right.
Yep. You have to learn.
If you're headed that way with a YouTube channel, I would suggest before you get too big, you look at the same kinds of things.
Yeah. Yeah. If you like your name, if there's something that's kind of become part of who you are, you have to protect it legally.
Trademark it or copyright it or whatever.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Anyway, that's the great news. From now on out, you'll be seeing Live Simple, Live Free at the end of each of our intro videos.
And we can even include just using it again.
Yep.
So, pretty cool.
Yeah, absolutely. I hope you're as excited as we are, because we really are.
Yeah. It may not seem like a big deal, but it was just kind of part of who we are, and it's just nice to be in a position to be able to use it again.
And it was very sad when we lost it, but we got it back.
Yeah. Just have to be patient for a few years.
Yeah.
So, all right, cool.
Yep. Well, all right, everybody. Thanks for celebrating with us.
So simple victories.
Yep. And live simple, live free.
Yes. And as Bill always says, be blessed.
Be blessed.
Love you guys.
See you next time.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Tinyhouse Prepper.
Live simple, live free.